Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Yeah, welcome to back our English class. This is Sadiq Rahman. This is in class 9. So Sadiq Rahman, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will need some questions. At least 7 questions on you.
Yes.
At first, who is your favorite person?
My favorite person is my husband, sir.
Okay. And second question on you. Who is your favorite poet?
My favorite poet is Rabindranath Tagore.
Who is your favorite writer?
My favorite writer is Humayun Ahmed.
Humayun Ahmed. Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is John Ahmed.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh.
Okay. Who is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay. Who is your favorite cricket player?
My favorite cricket player is Shakib Al Hasan.
Shakib Al Hasan. Okay. And last questions on you. Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Arjit Singh, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, and thank you everyone for watching our English language class. Okay.